Do you want to start your own business in the USA with minimal investment? Imagine earning money while keeping neighborhoods beautiful and tidy. Today, we'll show you how to launch a lawn and grass cutting service, step by step, from A to Z, even if you're a beginner.
Why lawn grass cutting service? Problem statement. Many homeowners don't have time or energy to maintain their lawns. Overgrown grass, messy yards, and lack of maintenance can reduce property value. That's where your service comes in. A lawn cutting service solves this problem while providing a steady income. And the best part? You don't need a college degree or expensive equipment to start. Assess the local market and budget, A to B. Step A, assess the local market. Walk around your neighborhood, check which areas need lawn care, and see how much competitors charge. Step B, budget your startup. Basic equipment, a lawnmower, trimmer, gloves, and protective gear costs around $150 to $400. This low-cost startup is perfect for beginners. Legal setup and service packages, C to F. Step C, choose a business structure, either a sole proprietorship or LLC. Register your business locally and get necessary permits.
Of course, I wanted to ensure everything was in
Step
order.
D, develop service packages, weekly, bi-weekly, or one-time mowing. Step E, buy all necessary equipment, mower, trimmer, leaf blower, safety gloves. Step F, find clients. Use Facebook groups, Nextdoor, or distribute flyers in your neighborhood. Insurance and hiring, G to H. Step G, get liability insurance. Protect yourself against accidents or property damage.
Do you have insurance for this?
Step H, if needed, hire part-time helpers as your business grows.
All right, so we'll start with the front section, then move to the back. Sounds good.
Start solo, and once demand increases, expand your team for efficiency. Payment, scheduling, and quality, I to K. Step I, set up an invoicing and payment system. Accept cash, Venmo, PayPal, or bank transfers. Step J, schedule your jobs efficiently, weekly or bi-weekly using a simple calendar app. Step K, always maintain high quality. Trim edges neatly, remove debris, and ensure each lawn looks perfect.
Welcome, ma'am.
Happy customers will return.
You did a fantastic job.
Marketing and networking, L to N. Step L, legal requirements. Check local licenses and follow noise regulations. Step M, market your service. Use social media, flyers, and ask satisfied clients for referrals.
They did a fantastic job. Nice to meet
Step
you.
N, network with neighbors, local realtors, or landscaping professionals to expand your reach.
Thanks, you guys do great work.
Add-ons and pricing strategy, O to P. O, offer add-ons like hedge trimming, leaf removal, or seasonal services like snow removal. P, price your services smartly. For small to medium lawns, $25 to $50 per visit is common. Offer package deals for regular customers to encourage recurring business.
From basic lawn mowing to comprehensive trimming and beautiful flower gardens, we offer it all.
Repeat business and growth, Q to Z. Q, maintain quality control, inspect each lawn and ask for feedback. R, encourage repeat business, weekly or bi-weekly subscriptions. S, plan seasonally, mowing in summer, leaf removal in fall. T, track expenses and revenue carefully. UVWXYZ, upsell additional services, brand your business with cards, t-shirts, and online presence. Excel at customer service, and focus on steady growth and profit. With dedication and consistency, a lawn or grass cutting service can become a reliable source of income even for beginners.
Start small, serve your community, and grow your business step by step. We hope your success. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more USA startup business ideas. Only on Startup Sparks USA.